For lesson 12.2, we are describing two-dimensional shapes. Our question we're answering is, what attributes can you use to describe two-dimensional shapes? So to be able to start to get a geometric sense or ideas about geometry, we first have to be able to understand different shapes and how their attributes are the same and different. Today we're going to talk about sides and vertices. And we have two new shapes we've introduced. Number one, there's a hexagon, and number 3 has our trapezoid. So to start out with, I do want them to do both of these two different things they ask them to do in the instructions. It says use blue to trace each straight side. So if we do number 1 on our hexagon, if we trace the sides, we would see there is 6 sides. And then we're going to use a red crayon to circle each vertex or vertice. And by circling each one, we can see there are 6 vertices. So we're going to do the same thing on number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So number 2 has 4 sides, or square. And it would also have, whoops, wrong color. And it would also have 4 vertices. And at the bottom of the homework page, the problem solving says, draw a shape to match the clues. Ying draws a shape with 4 sides. She labels it as a rectangle. So your child should be able to recognize that a rectangle, the shape of it. I mean, they can do it either way, only have to draw one of them, but be able to see that this rectangle has 4 sides, and that's what it's called. On the back side of the homework, up at the top, number 1 says, how many vertices does a triangle have? Once again, we have to understand that vocabulary word, vertices. Those are our points. So we can see a triangle has 3 vertices. How many vertices does a square have? Being able to count up those points, a square has 4 vertices. Then on the spiral review at the bottom, first one is back all the way from chapter 3, just simple counting on. What is 2 plus 9, 11? And number 4 asks them to use measuring, and they're going to be measuring the paper clips. They've already done the paper clips for your child on the crayon box. We can say the crayon box is about 4 paper clips long.